everybody. It's Joseph Cuffee, another episode of Cuffee Cultivation. I still got my man's big facts behind the camera.
Hey, what's up?
Doing what it do, you know what I'm saying? So,
Are they busting?
Nah, I think that's just fireworks or something. I don't know. They're having a meeting that consists of nothing but hoots and hollers.
Hoots and hollers?
Hoots and hollers.
Alright.
Anyway, let's get down to brass tacks while we're here today. Today I want to talk about the top 3 mistakes I made when I first initially started gardening. So yeah, you know what I mean? Cue my music. Is it cued? Did you cue it? Did you cue the music? Did you bring the music out here? Did you bring any music?
I mean, you didn't tell me to bring no music.
I didn't, but you should assume.
But why should I assume when you should just edit it in? It would. You know what? Nah.
First mistake I made when we started was I got topsoil.
You should probably wait till the train stops.
Oh, that was Longhorn.
Yeah, it would.
Okay, we ain't in Texas. First mistake I think I made, in my opinion, was bought topsoil from one of the big box stores, Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot. I don't even remember where I got it from, but I got topsoil to grow in. I bought several bags of topsoil, and I was like, okay, I wanted to start gardening, so I just went to the store like, all right, I need dirt. I didn't even know nothing about soil. I didn't know anything about the nutrients that plants need to exist, to thrive, and I did not know how those nutrients transfer into you when you eat those vegetables that you grow. I didn't know anything about this. So the first thing I did when I decided that I wanted to grow something was I went to the store and I bought the cheapest dirt that I could find, which was topsoil. It was Walmart brand or Home Depot, whatever the store brand of topsoil. I bought like 4 or 5 bags of it because it was on sale, and then I filled up a raised bed with this topsoil. Now, we did grow things, it was fruitful, but we did go through a process of adding amendments, and then afterwards, once I learned what you need for soil.
Train says.
Yeah, the train is about it. But yeah, so we added alfalfa meal, we added eggshells, we added, what else did we add? Worm castings, I think it was compost tea,
Leaves.
Well, that was in the winter when we just covered it with leaves. But yeah, we added a lot of things to make the life happen in that soil. It happened. It took a while, but we had a pretty good harvest that year. We had a lot of tomatoes, we had some zucchinis, we had
don't look at me, look at the camera.
Cucumbers, and a lot of greens. So, it could have been worse, but that was a mistake that, looking back on it, I was not too smart in that situation. I didn't do the research beforehand, and I just jumped headfirst into it. But, that's why I'm here.
I'm quite sure they didn't hear anything you said about that.
Offset. No one paid to see you. Paid to see this guy right here.
No one's paying to see anything.
We not on YouTube, Greg?
I don't think so, no.
No, you're not? Nobody's paying for this? Mistake number 2. And this one is more of a preference than a mistake, really. But I bought fertilizers, chemical fertilizers, when I first started. I did that because I thought that's what you do. You get your dirt, you get your fertilizer, you pour your fertilizer on your dirt. You know what I mean? Thankfully, I did more research before I got to the stage where you would add fertilizer to anything, and I learned that that's not the path that I myself want to take. I'm not downgrading or downplaying anybody who do use chemical fertilizers. More power to you. I just know for me and my family, I wanted a more natural source of food. I wanted a more organic situation. I wanted the food that we eat to be natural. I wanted to be the way God intended it. And if it looks funny, if it's a little bit smaller than people's stuff, then whatever. I'm here for flavor, and I rep Flavor Town all day. You know what I mean? The third mistake I made, which I really, I think this was a mistake on my part, was not buying seeds from a reputable source. Like I said, when I first started, I was more excited about getting into growing than learning about growing. So I just jumped headfirst into it. Topsoil, fertilizer, seeds. And the seeds I got, the initial seeds I got was from Lowe's, which were, you know, when you go past that little stand where it has all the seeds on it, I just grabbed a few of those. But then I was like, oh, I don't, you know what I mean? That's when I started getting the organic mindset or whatever, and GMOs and heirloom seeds and all that. So then I went on eBay and I seen a pack of seeds they were selling. It was like 1,000 seeds for $15. Let that sink in for a minute, you know what I mean? 1,000 seeds for 15, all different varieties of plants and vegetables, you know what I mean? The lettuce, corn, everything's in there. 1,000 seeds, $15. I said, oh man, that's a deal. I can't. I ran to the computer and typed in my information, got it sent here right away. Not knowing how much an heirloom seed or, you know, non-GMO, how much these things normally cost. I did not know. I just see the deal. I got it. You know what I mean? We used those seeds in the initial garden, first garden we did. We did grow some things, but the germination rate was very low. Very, very low. And you know, then now I'm an official repper. I rep that Baker Creek life, you know what I mean? Rareseeds.com, go there, buy their seeds, and inmygardener.com too. They have good seeds there. Go there, patronize their business. They have great high quality seeds, organic, non-GMO, heirloom seeds, you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, 1,000 seeds, $15. I still have at least 970 seeds left. We didn't grow that many of them. Like I said, the germination rate was low. Eventually, we are going to go through them. We're all going to use everything that we bought. We're going to use everything. The topsoil got used, everything except for the fertilizer. We're going to use it just because. Yeah, just because we have it. There's no reason for it to go to waste. Some of it's going to grow. It's not like all of them are just barren seeds. Some of them are going to grow, but buy your seeds from a reputable source. If you're going to buy it from eBay, just make sure the person selling it, those are, you know, they have some type of reviews behind it to let you know that those seeds are good quality and things like that. Yeah, I don't really, that's it. There's nothing else for it. That's the episode for this week. I'd like to give a shout out to my son, Big Fat. You know, he's doing a great job behind the camera, even though I fuss with him all the time. I love him like no other. And if anybody mess with him, I will attack them with everything that I have. So yeah, if anything I said today helped you out, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. If I said something that did not help you at all, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Basically what I'm doing right now is you know, I'm asking you, please help us out. Shout out to everybody who watched the last video. It crossed 1,000 views. I'm excited. I'm ecstatic about that. The first video still hasn't cracked 200. So I don't understand what we did that made y'all want to help mess with us. But hey, I hope this one continues that trend. And then I hope this one gets us to 2,000 and we keep growing from there. You know what I mean? I think we have a big 5 subscribers now, but it had 1,000 views. So y'all something else. Y'all watched the video and then didn't subscribe. So I guess either you don't like my face
Or like
the video. What is that? What's going on in your head? How do you? All you gotta do is click. These are 2 clicks. Like, subscribe. That's all you gotta do. That's it. That's all I'm asking. I don't want to keep, you know what I mean, going on. I just told you the mistakes I made in life and in gardening, right? These mistakes that I made are going to help you in the future. So you're on your phone watching this, hit like, hit subscribe. That's all you gotta do. That's all I'm asking. And I don't want to have to threaten nobody to do the right thing. Just do the right thing, man. Thank y'all for watching. Once again, this is Cuffee Cultivation. I am Joseph Cuffee. That is Big Facts. We are always out here getting it popping. It's a beautiful day in Virginia. You know what I mean? We out here doing the magic hour, getting it popping. Stay tuned for more videos. If you have any questions, anything that you think we can help you with, leave a comment, man. Leave a comment. Because y'all ain't commenting either. None of this makes sense to me. I don't understand how we got these views with no interaction from yous. So, you know what I mean? I'm not going to harp on it, but, you know, just leave a comment if you have a question. Like, share, subscribe to the video. Thank you for support. Thank you for watching. If you're watching. If you're not watching, you know what I mean? Thank you for thinking about watching. You know what I mean? See y'all later, man. Hit the music. Big facts. Hit the music. Did you bring the music? Hit the music. You didn't bring the music.
We already went over this.
When did you go over it?
We went.
When?
Huh?
Where? Did you? Where you going?